A robust and high-performing vacuum solution. Plug-and-play installation. A fully enclosed canopy designed for silent operation. When nothing less than peak performance is enough, Atlas Copco's DHS 3000 VSD Plus rises to the challenge. The DHS 3000 VSD Plus dry screw vacuum pump is built for a wide range of demanding markets. Take the paper converting industry, for example. Let's say this guy here is you. You won't settle for a vacuum pump that only looks good on paper. You want one that performs. It doesn't matter what exactly you turn out, cardboard boxes or envelopes, toilet paper or diapers. This DHS 3000 VSD Plus is the box that ticks all the right boxes, because it is ideally suited to serve as the centerpiece of a central vacuum system, and it packs a powerful performance into a minimal footprint. You know what else is minimal? Its total cost of ownership. That will certainly help you convince your chief financial officer. Because even in the paper converting business, you're not printing money. With this vacuum pump, your company's profitability is in good hands for years to come. The DHS 3000 VSD Plus is packed with technological innovations that keep expenses down. Its dry operation isn't just great for the environment, it also reduces maintenance costs. And its variable speed drive and highly efficient motor lower energy consumption and thus save money. Let's be honest, you don't just want great performance, you want it fast. You want it easy. You're in luck. The DHS 3000 VSD Plus does exactly what it says on the box. Its straightforward design and simple installation will have it up and running in the blink of an eye. Pressure set point control, PI, regulation, machine health checks via temperature and pressure switches. All these parameters are at your fingertips, accessible from wherever you are. The integrated Electronicon MK5 touch controller makes operating this machine child's play. If you're looking for performance that will put a smile on your face, then Atlas Copco's DHS 3000 VSD Plus is the gift that keeps on giving.